Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a professional-looking dental clinic post for Instagram or any other social media platform. Creating a dental clinic post for your social media is really easy, and your post will be ready in Canva within a few minutes. The best part of Canva is that you do not have to create it from scratch. Also, if you do not have any design experience, you do not have to worry, because Canva allows you to modify or customize templates already created by professional designers and creatives. Just go to Canva and search for Dental Clinic Instagram Post. We are creating a post for Instagram, which is why. You can see that templates are available. Go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. You can find everything from professional to minimal designs, so you can choose whichever template you like. Some are paid, while others are free. You can pick whichever one you like. For now, I will choose this one. I will go with this one. This is a paid template, but you can choose a free version if you prefer to pick whichever one you like. You will find many options, so choose the template you prefer and customize it. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want, just like this. I can do whatever I want with this template. Starting with the text, simply click on it. If you want to add any text, just double-click on it, and you can add or remove any text. There are also several features available for text customization, including changing the font, resizing, changing colors, and making the text bold. Try these features according to your needs. That covers the text customization features. Now, moving on to the background. To change the background, you simply need to click on the background option. Here is the background section. Just click on it and you can adjust it like this. You can also change the shadow or the image intensity. To completely remove the background, simply press Backspace. Here is the before and after view. I have removed the low buffy image from the background. Now you can change the background to any color you want. That covers the background. If you want to add your own logo, you can replace it by simply deleting it here and uploading your own image. To add your own logo, upload it from the Images section. If you want to replace this image with your own, go to Uploads and upload an image from your PC. Your image will appear here. Now I will choose a random image from Pinterest and paste it there, like this. I will copy this one, paste it here, and then drag and drop it. If you want to resize it, you can do so by dragging the corners. This is the process for replacing an image in a template. Simply drag and drop it like this. If you want to change or add elements, go to the Elements section and search for any elements you want to add. I might search for a brush, or perhaps a toothbrush, like this. You can add any elements you would like and adjust or resize them as needed. You can change them like this. You can add and customize whatever you like: your own logo, images, elements, text, details, and information. Once you have finished customizing or modifying the design, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it as a PNG or any other available format you need. Simply download it, and your dental clinic post will be ready to upload to Instagram or any other social media platform. Thank you for watching.